Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mary's Creative Decor and Furniture Redesign. If you're looking for home interior, furniture redesign, arts and crafts, wall paintings, and all decorative ideas, you're in the right place. Hey everyone, take a look at our project for today. We'll be making some candlesticks. And here's a closer look at the items we'll be using for today. First, we'll be using these glass tubes, and I did have these in my collection and I got them from Dollar Tree. I also have some candlesticks. Now these I got from a store called Bailey's and they were 99 cents. So I have 3 of them and we'll be using those today. I also have 2 other candles. I got these from Bailey's as well and they were 99 cents. Now I know Dollar Tree does have these, you can get them there. I have 2 of them. And I have some marbles. Now these are some pearlescent marbles that I picked up from Goodwill, and they were $2. They're really, really beautiful, and I couldn't wait to use them in a project. I'll be using some white iridescent glitter. Now I picked up this large bottle from Amazon, and it was about $12.99 for the bottle. I'll also be using my Mod Podge and my Gorilla Glue for today. So now that we have everything that we're going to use, let's get started. The first thing we want to do is clean off all of our glassware. I'm going to remove all the price tags as well as the little round stickers on the bottom of the cylinders. I'll use my glass spray cleaner and a towel to wipe down my glasses. When that's done, I want to start to add my marbles around the bottom of the glass. I'm using my Gorilla Glue with my hot glue gun. You can also use regular Gorilla Glue as well as E6000 if you want this to last a while. Now that I've added my marbles to all 3 jars, next thing I want to do is start to tape them off. I'll be taping around and I'll do 2 rows of the tape. Taping around the top of the glass was a little challenging, but to handle this, I just cut my tape or tore my tape into smaller pieces so that I can get it to go around the glass. I need your help. Again, my channel is 1 year old and I'm trying to grow my channel. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers. And I can do this with your help. Make sure you give me a thumbs up and share with friends. Once I have my glasses taped off, I'm going to take my Mod Podge and add it to the clear sections of my glass. Once I have the Mod Podge on, I will be shaking my iridescent glitter on top of the Mod Podge. I'll add Mod Podge and glitter on all 3 of my glasses. Now that I'm about done adding my Mod Podge and glitter, I'm going to set it aside and let it dry. Now that my first layer of Mod Podge and glitter has dried, I am going to mix glitter and Mod Podge in a container. I'm going to make it into a paste. Then I will add it to the glitter and Mod Podge that I already have on my glass. I'm doing this to seal in the glitter as well as to fill in any clear spots that's left on my glasses. While my Mod Podge is drying on my glasses, I'm going to take this candlestick, turn it upside down, and glue the smaller candlestick bottom to that bottom. I'll do this using the E6000. On the third jar or cylinder, I've already glued the short candle to the bottom of the jar. I'm going to allow this to dry for a few hours and come back to put them together. My glitter and Mod Podge mix is dry, and now I want to begin removing my tape. Now that the last of the tape is removed from the glass, it's time to glue the candlestick to the bottom of the glass. Again, I'll be using my E6000 to do this. I'll add the glue to the bottom of the candlestick, turn my glass upside down, and glue the candlestick to the center of the glass. I'll let them dry and we'll be right back to finish. My candlesticks are dry and I have decided to add some pearl wrap around the two candlesticks where the seams meet. When I am done, I'm going to clean my candle holders and come back for the reveal. And here are my candle holders complete. They are absolutely beautiful. I decided to add mosaic mirror tiles around the glitter mixture. This was to clean up the lines and give it a neater look. I'd like to say thank you to all of my subscribers. And for those of you who are out there watching who haven't subscribed yet, now is the time to do so. You want to hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit the notification bell as well so you'll be aware of all of my upcoming videos. These candles can be used on any dining room table setting, any mantle, or even for a formal event. I want to say thank you all for watching. And have a wonderful, wonderful day. God bless. And I'll see you in the next one.